Let's say we have y equals 2x and we want to graph it. Well, remember, we have the basic formula y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Now notice, it's just y equals 2x, so it's kind of like y equals 2x plus 0. So the y-intercept in this case is going to be 0, comma 0. So I'm going to plot that point right here. That's at the origin where the x and y axes intersect. Now you're like, hey, I would like to see what the heck this slope thing means. So I'm going to say m equals 2. Now, when I was taught it in the South, they said rise over run, rise over run. Slope is rise over run. Now, I was kind of more of a y and x guy. So the rise, what they mean is that's the change in the y values. And the run is the change in the x values. What that means is how much are you going up? That's the delta y, the change in y. And delta x means how much you're changing over your run, your horizontal. So what that means is we're going up 2 and over 1. Because remember, 2 can be rewritten as a fraction is 2 over 1. So that's up 2 over 1. You're like, okay, well, graph this, son. So I'm going to go up 2 from this first point. So that's 1, 2. And then over 1, meaning to the right 1. So I'm going to be plotting this next point at 2, comma 1. And the first point was 0, 0, otherwise known as the origin. So what we do now is just connect the dots, something you thought you'd never do again in life. You do that a lot when you graph. You connect the dots. Now, granted, these aren't straight lines, but this is what the graph would basically look like of y equals 2x.